Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mbafike Chibweze and this is Bweze 2. And in today's video, we are baking actually. And who else to do it with other than my amazing chef and a baker, Amara. So introduce yourself.
My name is Amarachi. You can call me the baker. Yeah. So we are here to bake cake.
The first time I tasted your cake, we actually was it wood? We baked it not in the oven.
Yeah, we used the firewood. We would like to use the firewood again.
I'm going to let her introduce you guys to the ingredients.
So we are going to bake a little milky cake. This is my flour. And this is my sugar to make it sugary. Then this is my baking powder, cream of tartar. This is my condensed milk. And this here is my vanilla flavor. This is my alcohol for preservative. This here is my butter. This is my milk, yeah, nutmeg. And I told you guys that it is milky cake, so this is my milk also. And here is the egg. So come with me guys as we bake the cake. a popcorn so you
Guys, this cake is fuckingly nice, bro. What the fuck? Guys, you need to come and test it.
I go do. Wow. See the softness. It's so fluffy, guys. See the sweetness. Oh my god. Guys, you need to taste this cake. It's so delicious.
Cheers. This is the final look.
This is not my first time. I'm a returning customer. I kept on coming.
Yes. The cake is really nice, but I would really love you guys to taste it yourselves and give the review. Bye.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to
Like.
Share.
Comment.
see you
See you
all
on
next
another-
time.
Bye.